Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Zety resume template and make a subscription. There are some videos also available on internet, but when we checking their reviews on Trustpilot and all, there are lots of complaints that they are not able to cancel their subscription. Even after sending their email, they are not able to cancel their subscription. So how you can cancel? So basically there are three methods by which you can cancel your subscription very easily. You can follow step by step and you can cancel your subscription very easily. First of all, the first method is via online method. Okay, so what you have to do in this method, you need to log in into your account, and once you logged in into your account, you need to tap on the profile icon very left side, right side, at very top side, like my account section, and there is an option like subscription. You can cancel your subscription, okay, by using this page. Okay, there is an option you can cancel your subscription at the very bottom side. Okay, you can cancel your subscription, or you can use another method, that is for email ID. There is an email mentioned cs@zety.com. you can send an email. The email format you can see, you need to compose a proper email. In the email you need to mention why you want to cancel your subscription. You need to enter your account name, your subscription starting date, and date. If you know anything about your subscription, you can provide your details, and in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation, a reply from their side. Until you don't get any proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is active. Your subscription is not going to end, your subscription is not terminated. Okay, so once you get a proof of cancellation, it means your subscription is cancelled. Okay, so this is the second method, and there is one more method, that is like calling method. So what you can do, you can call their customer support team. So how you can call? So basically there are lots of phone numbers, but I will provide you three major phone numbers. The first major phone number is available on this page, like Zety. You can clear the number because it's against YouTube policies. So if you want, I will provide you the number you can search in our video description box. I will provide you three major helpline numbers by which you can contact their customer support team and you can cancel your subscription. Or once you search on internet like how to cancel Zety subscription, you will get the phone number also. Okay, so by using these three methods, you can cancel your subscription on Zety. And if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.